Oi, oi, ele foi ser fang ya. Fio su ele fang ele ser fang. Ai o pepe uma ele fang. Sao so fio. Alright, so today is zoo day. Yeah, we found a car park finally. Dad wanted to come to the zoo. That's why we came. Needed to bring Amar to see some animals too. Yeah. Oh, eating your Samoan chips? Look, baby, elephant, 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 there, elephant. Say, my boy, say, kako, my boy, kako. Have you been here before?
Yeah.
To the zoo? Oh yeah, of course. I haven't been here since. Ooh, zebra! Look, come here. Look. Gabriel.
Can you smell the butts?
Look. What is that?
An ostrich.
Oh, ostrich. Giraffe. Amira.
And a zebra?
Look. Olla says to songo. Songo. Smells. Ostrich.
Oh, that's so nice.
Ostrich.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Olla new. Look how beautiful they are. Ah, you can get from the other side. Oh.
Yeah.
Maar agora cola é uma paçoca. What's in there? Olha. Oh,
What is that? Tortoise?
yeah.
Oh, it is a tortoise. Big tortoise and little tortoise. Wow. What are you doing?
Yeah, what is that? They see me rolling. Trying to get up. Gabriel, let's go. Tortoise. Amira, what's that? Are you back in India now, baby? Are you back in India? What is that called?
A rhino.
Are you enjoying? How many rhinos? Oh, look at that, look. There's two more over there. Say,
Yeah.
Oh, look. Mom's like, next. Oh, look how pretty they are. What's that, flamingo?
Flamingo.
Oh, I found a friend. Am I saying Kia, Dad? Coffee. Loki. Ice cream. Alright, Mom wants an ice cream, so we're just getting her an ice cream.
Ice chocolate.
Ice chocolate. Have you had it before?
No, but I know it tastes good because I like chocolate.
Look at Papa. Coffee.
I even like cold chocolate. Chocolate that's so cold.
Malu lupe. Lupe bela. Oi?
What's a Myra? What's a Myra? What's a Myra?
Fries. Okay.
What's a Myra?
Yummy?
Where are they?
Over there.
Sitting down where?
There. There. Yummy. Stuff, an iced latte.
Can I have a taste?
The mini one.
Can we go there?
Yeah. Why are you always scared to go by yourself?
Because I don't
Oh,
want to get
listen.
lost.
We have to listen in here. Hey. Hi.
Hi. Okay, go to the back. My turn.
Let her have the turn.
Things that being that we are scooting around.
Do that one.
Yes.
Careful, careful. Oh. Is that Mufasa? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, say hi. Where's monkey? Monkey, monkey, monkey. Yeah, monkey.
Go to the other side.
Alright, so just taking a break and giving Amara a feed. But it looks like she's going down right now. Which is, you know, this is the time that she usually goes to sleep. And I believe it is almost 1 o'clock. Are you having fun, Gabriel?
Yes.
Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Oh, don't lie. Earlier today you said you weren't enjoying it. Huh?
I was.
Mara's sleeping now. My poor lovey. And that's the thing, man. Like, I knew there wasn't gonna be any animals in one of the cages. Because, like, a few cages that we've walked past, we couldn't even see anything. So I think, I don't know. They're just sitting there. But yeah. Because big malay, a little yangy, ni mangwe kukongo mea. I lay a little fay my yelling mea. If I pay kankale, lela laugh. I lay loying mea. Sa lại mà mua xe cạo mày để ngi mang mua cho con. Fa pe kan ko o we ayo mo moy po ayo.
So ingo sa mga ngayon o mango suli.
Mene fi we su e mang.
Ang toro mango. Nau kupi.
Kakao ngaw po e may mang may Australia.
Thank you.
Rồi nghe số số là khang phải à mấy mang mình.
Nghe có mọi mộng. Lo kung hindi mo
Oi, oi, ele foi ser fang ja, fio so ele fang ele ser fang. Ai o pepe uma er fang.
É possível
Sa so fio.
Esse cama. Love you, baby.
Okay, bro.
Như vậy. Sao ạ? Yêu elephant.
Olha que escama aqui, vou ler aí, não. Calma. Ah. Aí que. O mga aí fakir mau insang.
Let's go snack.
Ai.
Lepas kali sih insang oh Afrika. Ai. Lepas pergi mamboy lo insang mamboy.
Corn stick.
This one.
What is that called, Gabriel?
What's that?
Don't know.
Don't know. Some type of monkey.
Is that pain?
Yeah. Amira, you're missing out.
Yeah, that's
Amira's missing out because she's sleeping.
Leo.
Where's Dad? Oh, Dad. Oh my gosh, guys, is this breadfruit? I think it is. It looks like some type of breadfruit.
I want to eat
Oh, nah, it's not. It doesn't look like a breadfruit. Okay. Oh, cookie kiao. Aquele é meu, Laurelinho, mesmo. Honestly.
Aí. Acabou, rapaz, que eles falam. Oi, é feliz, cara.
Cool. Are those? Oh, Amira would have loved the fishies. That. Oh, Amira's missing out.
my tiger. Maybe it's tangerine.
There's another one up there. Oh. Why are you not interested?
Not interested.
Not interested in tigers? See the kangaroos. Okay, we've got the gangies over there. Where are they? Oh, there.
Kangaroo.
Gangies. Bringing the parents to North Shore. Alright, so we just came to Takapuna. I miss Takapuna so much. Me and Kavi, we used to come here a lot. Just, oh my gosh, the memories. I miss this area so much. If I were to come here again, I would definitely, or if I were to move to New Zealand, I would definitely come. So yeah, we're just gonna have lunch here with the fam, and then we'll take them to the beach later. There's a playground there as well for kids. Takapuna. Well, toilet. Bathroom? Toilet? Is it a long walk? Oh, right there. Oh, yeah. Ngayon ito. Ay, lali. Maayo nga. Ah. Maayo iya?
Kalipin si...
Oh.
Si Ayay.
Burger. Salmon. Yum.
Okay, yan lang.
Wala. Mga isa.
Så bara väl så igen. Emma höja.
Ay, mga
Det kan ha sagt jag läser.
Sa laki mamuang.
Na ånger det ja.
Mga ilaw sa laki ma.
Sabay luka, wala mo.
Mga. Ay.
Ang ska kalipin.
Garlic bread.
Chopper just died.
Oh, good thing. Oh, sweet corn. Wow. Yum. Myra, what happened? Dog? Yeah. Okay, play. Okay, bro.
Can they play?
Yeah, let's go.
Play.
Be careful.
The Margot there?
Yeah. Careful, Gabriel. Might step on her. You want to go on there?
Baby wants to go in there.
Careful, careful, careful.
That way.
So that's the Takapuna Beach. Oh, it's very nice. Low tide today. Wow.
Can we go to the beach?
You want to go to the beach?
Yes.
You want to go in there? You want to go in there?
Mom.
Oh, it's so nice out here. Keep careful. Alright, the kids are just playing with sand here in Takapuna. Mum and Dad's out there, probably enjoying the breeze. Such a nice breeze here in Takapuna. But yeah, after here then we're gonna head home. Probably go pick up my sister who's at work. Beautiful day. Lucky it's not, like it's cloudy today, not sunny, not rainy, but it's just right. So beautiful. Myra, baby. Myra. Are you playing with shells? Are you playing with shells, my love? Yeah guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye. What is going on there? Oh, sand? Sand? Come baby. Come. Myra. Slide, slide, slide.
Can I go up the big slide? Can I go up the slide so high?
She's copying what other kids are doing.
What?